Hello, today we will learn how to download and install Tableau Desktop on Windows. Tableau has many products just like Tableau Desktop, which is more used in the real world scenarios and it's more used by Tableau developers. And there is another that's Tableau Server, which is more used by Tableau admins. Then there is another thing that's Tableau Public, which is a non-commercial product and it's more used. It's not used in real time or with servers, so we are not going to use this one. So what we are going to install and download today, as we are developers of Tableau, so we will use Tableau Desktop. In order to download, what you will have to do is go to Google and type Tableau Desktop download. Then this link will appear on the screen. You have to click on this page will appear. It says that Tableau Desktop is like start your free 14-day trial. So in order to start downloading, you have to fill in these credentials in here. All of these should be filled. And there is also this that they are giving a free 1 year license to students and teachers. And in order to know anything more about that, you can just go here, learn more site. There is this link. You can click on it and then it will show you more details about it. So now we will just start typing our name. Then there is business email. This business email could be any email. It doesn't necessarily have to be a business email. So we can just write it. Organization. Company size you can choose. Since we are like I'm going to choose 1 to 20 employees. Department. There are so many departments. You can choose which one you would like. You have We are going to with like software development. I'm going to choose that. Job role as a student. Country and region, India, I am going to choose. So then you have to like put a phone number in here and then you will have to download free trial. So while it's getting downloaded, there are like some steps. You can see what you have to do, like download and then we have to install it, register, and there is download is completed. You can open it. It's taking a little time. Okay, so this screen, so you have to like accept the terms and agreements of license, and also you can tick this, please don't send product usage data. So we are going to take that and then install. And do you want to yes, and then it will start installing on your system. This is the latest version of this Tableau 2023.2.2. This is the latest version available. Okay, so once it's open, installed, after you can open, this is like you must register. So go to register. You have to just put your email that you already put there while signing up. So register. Registration completed. Continue. So now you can just Microsoft Excel you can open, and there is this file in your like data source. You have to just open this sample superstore which you can use. Okay, so now you can just link anything you want, like you have like orders and people, returns, you can just use them, people. So it will look like this, and then you can easily use Tableau for whatever purpose you are using it, and it's super easy to use then.